Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this example, we will be zipping and unzipping a file or a folder without using any third-party NuGet package or library. So basically, we have a structure set up here. So we have this folder, zip it. Inside this, we have one text file, and we will be creating a zip of this folder in this location. And once we zip it, so then finally we'll unzip that zip as well to show how we can zip and unzip a folder. So for this process we will use the invoke activity and invoke method activity we will use. So basically in this method we will be calling out the so zip folder. Okay, so for this one we will be using the zip file function or the library. So to check out like how or what are the library functions and values are there present in the C sharp. So basically we will call system.io and compression. So in this we have the class ZipFile. So ZipFile provides all the features to zip and unzip folder or file. And if we search it out here, so we have the create from directory. So if we check out the inputs and outputs for this, so basically it will take a source directory name as string. So we have to provide the path of the folder, destination archive file path. So that is the uh, zip file path where the zip will be created. So yeah, so these are the two important inputs we have to provide to this function to create a zip file. So I will just simply copy it and yeah, and I'll just close it, delete it. And in this one again, the target type in this case will be system.io.compression.zip file. So if you are not able to search it out, find it out in this list, so basically you have to go to the browse section and type here zip file. And in this we have to select system.io.compression. Under this, the zip file function or the package will select. So once we have the target type selected, method name will provide the create from directory which we just copied. And as we have just seen, so we will provide the two inputs to this file, two inputs to this function. So I'll just create a variables for it. So basically this will be, first one is the folder path, the folder in the folder which we have to zip, and second one will be the zip file path. Okay, so okay, so we have the zip file path already, and then we have the folder path. Okay, so if we check out the variables, so we have the variables already existing. So basically the str folder path, so this is the variable, or this is the variable which is containing the path. So if I quickly check it out, so this is the complete path to this folder which we have to zip, so that we have provided in here. And then this is zip file path, so that same location, and we added a .zip extension with that folder name. So basically in that same location it will be creating the zip archive. So now once this is all set, okay, so method name is create from directory, and we'll quickly check why it's highlighting this one. method zip folder, it's not declared. Oh, okay. So we will provide it again. Okay, as we can see, it will take, we have to delete one, and this we have to again folder path. So the first one is the folder path, the second is the zip file path. So these are the two inputs which this function required to zip that folder. And now we will put the log here that which will notify us. Okay, so we will type in the message zip is created, and log level we can set as info. Okay, so now we have this one set up. So we will go with the other function of unzipping. So we will just take a copy of it and we will name it as unzip folder. So again, the library or the C# class will be same system.completion.zip file. Then the method name we have to change. So how to know what is the method? So that we can take a assign activity here and we can type out again system.io compression.zip file. So here it is, and then we will press dot. So here we can see the function is extract to directory. So this is the function we can use, and it will take the first input as the source archive file name. So the file name or the zip path we have to provide, and the destination directory name. So basically the path where we want the folder to be extracted. So two inputs it will take. I'll just copy this function name. I'll delete this sign activity. I'll paste the function name here, and in the inputs I have to change. So the first input will be zip file path, and the second input will be zip folder path. So basically first it will take the file path, zipped file, it will unzip it in this locations, which is the second input we have provided. So I'll press OK, and then we will just create a log here which will say unzip completed. Okay, so I'll just put a breakpoint at this place, and I'll quickly check out the folder here. So we have a zipped folder, inside we have a info.txt. So I'll quickly run this. So the activities are compiling. Okay, so the debug mode started. We can see here on the output logs, execution started, then zip is created. Okay, so this activity is executed and the message we received, zip is created. So we'll quickly check out the folder here, and here we can see zip, this archive is created here, and we quickly open it. So inside this we can see there's a info, this file is there. So okay, so as we can see, this activity created the zip archive for us. Now I will delete the main folder and we'll proceed with the unzip operation. So I'll just continue with the unzip. So this activity will unzip that zip archive. Okay, so as we can see in the logs, unzip completed sandbox, so it just took 44 seconds. And if I check out here, so we can see the zip it, this is the folder which was just extracted, and this is the archive which was created, and again this was the unzipped folder of this archive. So yeah guys, let me know if you have any queries or more in detail video for this is required. So please comment if any queries are there or if any more information you need. So thank you. Thanks. Bye.